Hi, Bill Henshaw here again, another one of my YouTube current events videos. And this is an addenda to my video I just did on California Prop 25, a couple of more things that you should be aware of. One, if the trial court, quote unquote, doesn't have jurisdiction over bail, and they don't with Federal Reserve notes, that's all federal law, then they don't have any subject matter jurisdiction, not to mention in personam jurisdiction over you as well, because we're not artificial corporate entities, and therefore we're not quote unquote persons within the meaning of the statute. But the other thing is, it's Prop 25, and I do things a little differently when I save computer files up front. But the file I have on this is about 30 pages on this Prop 25. And everybody just blithely expects every voter out there, quote unquote, to be competent to understand 30 pages of legalities. Whoa, hold on here a minute. You show up in one of their damn courts, and the first thing they do is find you incompetent, at least without a full hearing on your quote unquote competence, because they want to appoint one of their goddamn counsel for you who's a member of the state bar, an officer of the court, and stipulates to jurisdiction they can't get in any other way. Now, which way is it? Are we competent or are we incompetent? You can't have it both ways. If we're incompetent, that even strengthens my claim to the fact that there's no elections and there can't be any if you don't know how to understand the issues and vote on them. I mean, how simple is this? Fourth graders are going to get this one. You know, if we're competent, then fine. We're competent when we show up in their courts and demand to be heard in propria personas sui juris, you know, and acting sometimes as a private attorney general. We have every right to do that, every right to challenge jurisdiction. And in 5 decades, never once have I had any of those claims opposed by anyone, not even acknowledged, let alone opposed. That's how we beat the bastards. We set up an unopposed record in the trial court to beat them, and now we go on the offensive, like what I'm doing in the Oakland case. I'll keep you updated on that, because we're going to make them pay up the ass for what they did in the Oakland case. Trust me. So that said, remember to subscribe, like the video, tell your friends, get the word out. For information on my email, on my documents, send me an email, youwinnincourt@gmail.com. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.